What's up, yo? So we back at it again. About to hook my boy up. He about to get this mid skin fade with a comb back, a brush back, throwback. I don't know what you call it, but we gonna do it. So right now I'm passing that 2 on the sides just to make my job a little easier. He had too much of a bulk, so this is, I guess, for me to see what I'm doing. Make it easier. So here we come with the first guideline. First guideline around the head. And we gonna shave it. His hair is pretty thick, so it took me a while to cut it. So now you see me hitting it with the zero just straight closed. Making sure that no lines is showing, no shaver line is showing. I went back with the trimmer, and now I went back with the zero, this time open. I'll be playing around with the lever. I'm going pretty fast, but I'm jumping in order. From there I went to the half and started fading my way from there. Jumped straight to the 1 and now I'm on the 2. And so you see how the fade's actually really well put together. It took me a while, but it worked out. And so now I have to do his lineup. This man hasn't had a cut in about 2 months. So right now I'm just trimming the baby hairs. So the cut look sharper, the line look sharper, look cleaner, more put together. There we go. Look at him. Boy, if you don't stop. After I get done with the razor work I'm going to just come to the top and I'm going to thin it out. Take some weight off of it. He has too much weight on the top. His hair's too thick, and so it kind of lays better when it's a little thinned out. So I'm gonna go over it right now with the thinner shears, get some bulk out of it, so it won't be too thick, and it starts to lay a lot better. As you can see, he's already loving the cut. Right now I'm just doing a blending technique. I comb the hair all the way to one side and just start blending in the short hairs with the long hairs. It makes the job easier. It don't make the cut look like an undercut, but it allows the long hairs to blend in perfectly with the short hairs. And then we go with the clipper over comb just to make sure I got every piece of hair. It was sticking out. It's already looking really good. And now just to finish up, shaving the sides. My boy was feeling himself. Look at him. I see you. And I'm just adding some enhancement, some kiss. There you go. Alright, you doing too much, bro. But there we go, man. That's the final cut. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe. Comment, man. Tell me what's up, bro. Tell me what y'all want me to do. I'll make sure I keep coming back with some more videos, man. So y'all keep watching. Keep watching and let me know what's up, man. Thank y'all and God bless.